In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide your balance in Robinhood for the year 2025. Whether you're using Robinhood on your computer or your smartphone, this process is designed to keep your financial information private and secure, all in a simple and straightforward manner. First, let's begin by navigating to Robinhood's website. You can access it through your preferred web browser by going to Robinhood.com. Once you've arrived on the homepage, you're greeted by Robinhood's easy-to-use and minimalist interface. This is the gateway for commission-free stock trading and investing, providing a wide variety of options for managing your investments. Now, if you aren't already logged in, you'll need to do so. Look for the Login button, typically found in the upper right corner of the screen, and click on it. Enter your credentials, your email and password, making sure to keep that information safe and secure from prying eyes. After logging in successfully, you'll be directed to the Robinhood homepage. This is your central hub, where you can check your portfolio, monitor stocks, and access various features Robinhood offers its users. From the homepage, we will now proceed to the Robinhood Legends section. To find this, look for the navigation menu. Depending on the layout, this may be at the top or on the side of the page. Click on Legend. This section contains several important tools and settings that can help you customize your trading experience. Once you've landed on the Robinhood Legend page, it's time to focus on the specific feature we're interested in: hiding your balance. Amidst the various tools found here, look for an option labeled Hide Data. It might be highlighted or easily identifiable. Clicking on this option will activate Robinhood's privacy feature, designed to obscure your financial data. This includes your balance information, which means when someone looks over your shoulder, they won't easily see your financial details. It's a handy feature if you're sharing your screen for a presentation or simply want an added layer of privacy. And that's it. You've successfully hidden your balance on Robinhood. It's worth noting that this feature can be toggled on and off, depending on your needs. If you ever need to reveal your balance data again, simply return to this section and click on the same option to make your information visible once more. By doing this, Robinhood offers a user-friendly way to manage your preferences while keeping your financial information safe when needed. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful videos and guides on making the most of your trading experience with Robinhood.